You know how it is when you just take down your hairstyle, it's really hard to come up with something else to do your hair. It is always a struggle. But let's just begin with the braid pattern for today and see what category we are going to select out of these extensions. Let's begin. Vitamin C. Vitamin C. Mommy mo fi jo my melanin kun. Fine girl no pimple, classy and simple. Lines are in straight, but I honestly do not care. To do your regular braid, what you want to do first is split this into 3 parts like this, then start adding your hair as you progress. If you save me, hey, join me. I decided to go with these extensions because I've not used it and I want to try like a short coily crochet braid installation. Hope it suits my face, and I'm hoping that this black would cover up my red hair. I hope it does. You take your latch hook through, not it's in under your braid as usual, under your braid, right? Place the extensions, close it. So this time we are going to tie this twice because this is a different type of extension and it's synthetic, right? So basically take it out like this, then oh my god, could you stay on please? Take it out, take one piece, I like saying one piece, then because we want this to stay, if you leave it like this it's not going to stay, it looks like it's going to unravel. So instead of leaving it like that, what I did was close this latch, pass it through, close the latch again, pass it, drag it out, open your loop, take one piece here, then turn this, take a tiny piece from here, then hold everything and drag. This is going to stay. It's way better than just tying that big piece twice. That wasn't giving anything. So this is the length of the extension. I don't know what inches this is. This is how long it is. So we just hold it together and split into two like this. This before, but you know what? Let's continue. If it's not full, we can just fluff it. There's nothing wrong with that. So once again, oh my god, let's talk and more work it.
I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising a song to the highest bidder.
We can hide the notes a bit. Take this piece, take a tiny piece here. Oh. Okay, do you understand? Your braid, place the extension, close the latch, drag it, open up this loop with your fingers. Just one of your fingers is enough. Take one piece through this loop, turn it, take a tiny piece out of this.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain.
If you know me, you would know I really like flexible hairstyles. Hairstyle that I can flip. This is side parts. There's no C parts today. It's just regular straightforward side parts. And you can choose to cover it up and call it a day. Welcome.